Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about getting your garage ready for spring and summer. There's a couple of things that we really love to do. This time of year is a great time to open up those garage doors, start pulling your stuff out, categorizing, itemizing, figuring out what you need to be out there for spring and summer, as opposed to what doesn't need to be there for winter anymore. It's time to make that switch. One thing I want you to consider if you have a lot of tools or gardening supplies is to put them where you can see them. And one thing we really love to utilize is a pegboard. Pegboard is a super cheap way to put your stuff on the walls, and it can be customized and organized based on whatever you need. If that's tools or gardening or yard stuff or just hardworking or crafts and woodworking. So anyway, get yourself a pegboard and some pegs, and we want to see what you can do with that garage. Let's get it ready for spring and summer. All right, we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.